Hi, quick demo of the Price Comparison Pro 2.51 features, the new add-ons. So firstly, we've got the images here. This main image. That's the only image that I've added. These other images were scraped automatically by Price Comparison Pro. I'll show you the back end for that in a second. Um, Same price box over here on the right. I've added a styling option in the back end so you can style that. And also, you'll see when you refresh it that it sorts, sort of animated. Yeah, it's animated when you sort. And then if it finds a cheaper price than the price is just now, you'll see this here will flash yellow, and it'll update the price, and it also updates the URL on the thing. So that's now on to Curry's. That's saying down the bottom left. I don't know if you can see that. But it'll update it to the correct price, whatever the cheapest one is, sorts them all and all that kind of stuff. Now let me see what else we got. So that's the back end. So we've got shortcodes. So a few using shortcodes, and you need to be able to have multiple of these on one page. So this is just showing you that that works now. These are two different kinds of products. One of them is the same Yeti microphone, and the other is DJI Phantom 3 or something like that, maybe the Phantom 4. But you see that the prices update independently, works fully basically. Now in the back end, so you see this new option. You can choose to save prices, regular and sales prices if you're using WooCommerce, or just save the images, which is very cool. If affiliates have got a big problem with poor image quality, so being able to pull images directly from the merchants is really cool. Now you see some extra selectors. These ones on the left, you know before. Sales price, it's optional, I haven't put it in. The image selector, you can be really fuzzy with this, so it's really quite easy to set up the image selector. So in my example, for example, I think I was pulling it from Curry's. So you just need to pick a selector that roughly gets the all of the images, right? So like, as long as it contains the image URLs inside all of that HTML. So in this case I use .product gallery on that page. But basically it's really, you can be as fuzzy as you could. Just do the full thing and grab all the images from the whole page, but you don't want that, right? Or maybe you do. Anyway, so there's also you can pass cookies through to the destination, which is good if you. Some websites, they need cookies for, like, when the first time you load the page, they'll try and set a cookie to set up the language or the currency or something like that, and then they actually reload the page. And so those pages with Price Comparison Pro, when you try to scrape them, it's just a refresh that happens, and so you actually need to pass the cookie through. So now what you can do is you can go to that page yourself, generate the cookie, copy and paste the cookie file into there, and it will submit the cookies with the scrapes. And then what else? I think that's it for the back end. Yeah, that's it for the back end. And let me see if we've got. So you saw the price sorting, the styling options. Didn't show you that yet. And price caching is working again. Sorry that had been broken. I've basically been through. I've spent the last about 10 days working on this, just ploughing through the code, looking through everything, and just doing it, investigating with a fine tooth comb. Anyway, if you do want to change the styling, now you can see the default styling still in there, and I've got a link here to show you the actual styling file that's used, right? So you can copy paste that in and then just adjust it, but you can put your own styling in here, which will mean that will be getting used instead of the default, or just save that and that would mean no styling. That's going to look ugly if you do that, but do what you want to do. Anything else? No, and that's it for now. So if there's any questions at all, let me know. The next thing I'm working on is Scalability Pro, Hoping to get that upgrade out this week as well, because it's very nearly ready. If you've got any more requirements that you want for Price Comparison Pro, let me know. But hopefully you love this release. I look forward to hearing what you all think.